परित्यजेत्. So, due to these things, some persons leave such practices, and due to these things, manasa avasadakanam, the mind of them gets nervous. Iti tad vidya yoga nishpaktaye. Therefore, to attain yoga, to attain the union with wisdom, ज्ञानाभ्यास एव यतनीय इति यो महायज्ञाभ्यास कर्म परित्यजेत्. They accept that the abhyas, the practice of jnana is only the motto of the life, and that's why in that practice they leave performing the different yajnas. Sarajasam rajomulam tyagam kritva. Such tyag is of rajomul nature. Why so? And what is the result? Tad ayatha vastit shastrat rupam iti jnanotpatti rupam tyag phalam na laved. And such rajasic tyag will not let you be benefited by the main jnana, by the main benefit, that is the jnana utpatti, that you will fail to attain jnana, the wisdom. As said in 18/31, ayathavat prajanate buddhi saparth rajasi iti vakshate nahi karma drishtatvana mana prasada hetu. That is karma. Whenever you talk about the karma, then this karma is not the cause to please your mind. Apitu bhagavad prasada dvarena. But while performing the karmas, while performing the duties to attain wisdom, it is only the Bhagavad Kripa which is needed, which helps you to provide or please your mind. It's not the karmas. You can't be pleased by any karma. If you want pleasure, then you need to focus your mind, and due to Bhagavad Kripa, your mind will get pleased. So this is the main thing we need to focus about. So now we are going to discuss the 9th mantra. In the 9th mantra, we will be learning about the Satoguni Tyag, the Sattvic Tyag. Nitya Naimittika, the mantra first. Karyamityeva yat karma niyatam kriyate juna sangam tyaktva phalam chaiva satyagah sattviko matah. नित्य नैमित्तिक महायज्ञादि वर्णाश्रम विहितम कर्मदाराधन रूपदया कार्यम स्वयं प्रयोजनम इति मत्वा. That whenever one is performing the nitya karmas, the daily routine karmas, the naimittik karmas, the karmas at some special occasions, like that of the yajna, dan and tapasya, as per their varnashram, they assume, they accept all these karmas as an aradhana, as worship to the Lord, and accepts themselves to be only the medium to perform such actions. When he accepts himself to be just a medium, then sangam karmani mamatam phalam cha tyaktva, then he leaves his habit of doership, his he leaves his own doership. He is free from his such attitude. Yat kriyate satyaga sattviko matah sasatva mula. The main satoguna is that to get rid of doership, and such tyag if performed, that is called sattvic tyag. Bhagavan says satyaga sattviko matah. Yatha vasit shastrat jnana mula ityartha. And this will lead to the real attainment of the wisdom. Sattvam yada vastit vastu jnanam utpadayati iti uktam. 14/17. Sattva sanjayate jnanam. The Satoguna helps you, pushes you, provides you the real knowledge, the real wisdom. As said in 14/17, Sattva sanjayate jnanam. And Vakshate cha pravrittim cha nivrittim cha karya karya bhaya bhaye bandha moksham cha yogeti buddhi sapa sattviki in 18/32, which we will discuss later on. Now the we are going to discuss the 10th mantra. Now let's see what Bhagavan